how to turn on professional mode in Facebook. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn on professional mode in Facebook. So in order to turn on professional mode in Facebook, all you need to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, open up or log in into your Facebook account. Also, before you do this procedure, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Once you are logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Over here, you'll need to go ahead and tap the profile icon located in the top left hand side corner. After that, go to that three dot icon, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see your profile settings. In order to begin with the procedure, click on turn on professional mode located right at the bottom. In order to begin with the professional mode, you'll have to go through all of these statements and click the turn on button. Then to begin with, you'll have to go ahead and enter in all sort of details, and if you're sure about it, then tap the continue button. And once you're done entering the information, next page, you need to go ahead and tap the arrow icon. As soon as you've done that, then you'll be notified that you've successfully turned on professional mode. So in that simple way, you can turn on your professional mode. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.